You know, taking care of your lawn can be pretty expensive and time consuming. But if you want to get a power tool that's both economical and can kind of speed up the project, look no further than right here. This is the Ryobi Easy Edge, and it's a 10-inch string trimmer, but it's also an edger. A couple of things to point out. First of all, it operates on the 18-volt lithium-ion battery that's part of the One Plus system. This is interchangeable with some other Ryobi tools. It's very lightweight. So it's not going to be, a pain to carry around as you're working. But look, it's got the string trimmer here, but if you rotate it, you can make it into an edger just like that. With some trimmers, in order to advance the string line, you have to kind of bump it on the ground and it will activate the line 2 feet out a little bit more. But this doesn't. It has an auto feed. So it detects when the string is actually shorter, so it will send it out automatically. So again, if you're in the market for a tool that'll help you get your lawn and garden projects done quicker, but it's also at an economical price, then I think this is a pretty good fit for you.